for later. Naideoku means leave something undone. Connected with the knife form, then add deoku. Use it when you choose not to do something for a reason. It also uses verbs that express your own will. 起こさないでおきましょう。Let's not wake him up. 朝ごはんはあまり食べないでおこう。Let's not eat too much breakfast, so we'll enjoy dinner later. Sometimes doing nothing is the best preparation.